Today me and my husband Zachary, we're going to be doing some, bleach tie-dye with some black shirts. So we both got our shirts ready. They're just Hanes t-shirts from Walmart, and then each of us have a pair of sweatpants that we're going to do as well. These are Fruit of the Loom, I believe, and they're from Walmart. Nothing fancy. We already had these. We did get a few supplies from Dollar Tree. Condiment bottles, 2-pack, to put the bleach solution in. We got bleach, some rubber bands, and then this is optional. We got these vinyl gloves just to kind of protect our hands. Okay, so once you have it filled up about halfway with water, you just fill up the rest of it with bleach. Alright, so now that we got our bleach water all mixed up, we're just gonna kind of swirl the shirt in the center. Alright, now for the pants, we're gonna swirl this leg right here.
Like two different ones,
yeah.
Right? Like right up here?
Right up here towards the hip.
Right down here.
Right down here, kind of towards the leg. Okay. So we're gonna just swirl them in opposite direction. So now we're just gonna kind of pick little different areas on the pants and the shirt to color. Just gonna open these up. It's been about 10 minutes. We're gonna just remove the rubber bands and see what these look like. There's like a lot of black on it.
There's a lot of black still on it.
Oh man. Can I turn it around? Well, that's not too bad. I think this is gonna come out really good for the shirt.
Oh yeah, that looks pretty cool.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I really like that. Ooh, that one came out really good.
Pretty cool.
I like that. Oh, those came out pretty good.
Oh yeah, yours came out a lot more
bleached
than mine did.
Alright, yeah. So now that we got all the rubber bands taken out, we're just gonna rinse out all of the bleach and then run it through the wash. Okay, so it's the next day. It was kind of taking a while to get it to run through the wash and dry it, but this is what the shirts look like. I think I did this one, but because that one came out better, so I think that one was mine.
Show the back.
And this is the back. And then the pants, my pants came out pretty good. I don't know if you can tell, but his are a little bit too black, I think. So maybe next time we'll probably put like the bottle further into each of like the crevices and the little like roll, because it needs a lot of bleach to kind of get the whole outfit. But thank you so much guys for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.